Hello, welcome to 999 Gold and Silver. Today we have an unboxing. I believe it's all silver, but might have a surprise in here. Not 100% sure what's in each of these, but we will start here. All right. So, as you may know, the gold price has been at all-time highs and been doing really well, and the gold and silver ratio has also improved in the favor of silver. So I've made some silver purchases. I believe I know what this is. Let's zoom in, take a little closer look. All right, and here we have 2022 coin from Fiji. This is 1 ounce of 3/9 fine silver. And we'll go ahead and get this set up a little better and talk about the coin more. Here we have the Samurai Coin. This is 1 ounce of fine silver. It's a unique bullion piece, and its mintage is 10,000. Samurai were the hereditary military nobility and officer castle of medieval and early modern Japan from the late 12th century until their abolition in 1876. And here we see a nice close-up of this side. All right, let's see what's next. Okay, second package of 3. Here. Envelope inside of an envelope. And take a look. Some more silver. These are definitely protected well. I appreciate that, but I also think these are in capsules, so maybe a little overdoing it on the packaging, but nothing wrong with protecting the contents. All right, zoom in here, and here we go. Just tear into it like a present. And more tape. This seller definitely protected these coins, so I appreciate that. All right. And more tape. They are not in airtight capsules, so here we have first 2020 Canadian maple leaf. This looks like it's in very good condition with no milk spotting. I'm going to set this up here. Open the next one. And number 2, also without capsule. Nice coin. Looks like it's in very good condition. Also no milk spotting, so very pleased with these. Without taking a closer look, they look like they're in excellent condition, so that's good to see. Set this up here. Get a few close-ups. And here we see the obverse and reverse side by side. The one on the left is a 2022 and the one on the right is a 2020. Both in very good condition, and pleased with these coins. All right, and the third and final opening today. Out here. Go ahead and cut this open. Inside we have, it's protected very well, more silver coins. Actually, these are Libertads, so go ahead and open these up, take a look. There we go, sliding right out. 3 Libertads. Take a little closer look. All right, well, we have 1 cracked capsule, but that doesn't bother me very much. This is a nice looking coin. I don't see any scratches or flaws on the coin. A little slight toning on the edge, but nothing wrong with that. And it looks like these coins are in sequential years: 2011, 2012, 2013. Libertad is a highly sought after coin by collectors. Very beautiful. Here we have the 2013. See a little something there, but I believe that's on the capsule. Good condition. And here is the 2011. Little black spot there of the MO. All right, so 6 ounces more to the stack. And here we see all 6 of these coins. So 6 additional ounces for the stack. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and enjoy the day.